Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Study with Ishant, and today I'm back with another question of J Advanced 2026 paper. And this question is from the section Physics and from the topic Current Electricity. Okay, and this is one of those type of question which can build a momentum in the paper because this formula is just because this question is just based on one formula which you generally study in NCERT, and that formula is really very important. It is important for class 12 codes. Its derivation is very important, and the relation is quite simple, which I will be writing here. And this question is totally based upon that relation, and your question will be solved. Okay, so let us look at the question and try to solve it. A metal wire of cross-sectional area 0.5 millimeter square and length 100 meters is connected across a battery of EMF 2 volt and internal resistance 1. Okay, so let us add the given data here. So first of all, we have been given the area of cross section, which is 0.5 millimeter square. So area is 0.5 millimeter square. See, the area is in millimeter. We have to convert it in meters. So we can multiply it by 10 to the power minus 3. But here square is there, so this would be converted in meter square. Means the answer would be 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 6 meters square. Got it? Now for the length is given 100 meters is connected across. EMF is given 2 volts. Internal resistance means small r is given as 1 ohm. And the density, atomic mass, and electrical conductivity of the metal. So the density is given, which is rho, which is 6.35 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. Atomic mass, which is 63.5 gram per mole, and the electrical conductivity means sigma, which is 2 into 10 to the power 8 mho. Okay, respectively, assuming one conduction electron per atom of the metal, the drift velocity we have to find means Vd we have to find. See, there is an important relation between current and the drift velocity. Generally, drift velocity is the velocity by which electrons in a conduction can move freely. Means inside any metallic wire, how many electrons, or you can say electrons, can move freely in a metallic wire by the velocity. That speed is called as drift velocity, or that velocity is known as drift velocity. Getting my point? That by how much free velocity, by how much velocity these electrons can travel inside the wire, that velocity is termed as drift velocity. Okay, so drift velocity's basic definition is this. Now we have to find the drift velocity value here. So the relation between the current and the drift velocity is NEAVD. Okay, so here I is the current. What is N here? Here's a basic confusion. Basically, students just get confused. N over here. N is not the number of moles. It is the number of electrons, number of free electrons which can move inside the metallic wire. Okay, it is not number of moles because number of moles formula is different. It is given mass upon molar mass, and here this N formula would be different. It is how many electrons can move freely inside a metallic wire. Okay, E is the electronic charge, which is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. A is the age of process which is given. Vd would be the crisis which we have to find. Okay, now see. First of all, you need to find the current. So if you have been given the EMF and the small internal resistance, what was the formula for the current? It was E upon R plus R. We are not going into the sign convention, because generally the sign convention, if the positive terminal is connected further, we generally write R plus R, but if the negative terminal is connected further, we generally write R minus R. Okay, we are not considering the sign convention here. We are just writing the R plus R value because assuming that the positive terminal battery is connected further. Okay. See, now what is the value of E? It is 2 volts. What is the value of R? See, the R you have to find. First of all, we would find the value of R. How would we find the value of R? We know a relation for R, which is rho L by. But here resistivity is not given. Here you have been given conductivity. and conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity. So we can directly write it as 1 upon rho into L by A. Okay, 1 upon sigma into L by A. So we can calculate this. You have been given this value 2 into 10 to the power 8 mho into length is 100 and area is 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 6. Now I can calculate it. This would be good further than 10 to the power 8 cancel, and 1 upon 2 is 0.5, so this would be also cancelled. So 1 ohm is the main resistance R. Okay, substituting the values, it would be 1 plus 1 and this would be 1 ampere. So the current flowing inside the metallic wire is 1 ampere. Okay, now you have got the value for the current. Now you have to find the value of N only, because else everything is given in. Okay, what is the formula for N? It is not given mass upon molar mass. The formula for number of electrons flowing inside the metallic wire, it is nothing but density. See the formula, density into Avogadro's number upon the atomic mass. This is the formula. You can note down this formula in your copy. This is the general formula for N. Okay. Now, what is density here? Density is 6.35, or you can just write it as 635 into 10. Okay, removing the point, and Avogadro's number is 6 into 10 की power 23 upon what is the atomic mass? It is 635 into 10 की power minus 1. So 635 cancel, and this will go in the numerator. 10 to the power 2, it is 6 into 10 की power 25. This would be the value for N. Now you can simply take out the value for Vd. Vd would be what? Vd would be current upon NEA. Okay, substituting the values. What is the value for the current? Current value is 1 upon number of 6 into 10 की power 25 into 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19 into 0.5 into 10 की power minus 6. This would be the value of Vd. You will solve this. You will get it as it was coming as 208 millimeter square. It was 203 meter. 208 meters. Okay, you have to convert this in millimeters, so you can multiply it by 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so it would be 208 into 10 to the power minus 3. It would be 0.208. The final answer would be 0.208, which is option number C. It is in millimeters. Okay, so this was the question, and it was a quite simple question. Generally, the formula here which was used here, generally this would create a confusion. Otherwise, this was the easiest question for the paper 2. Okay, so I hope you liked my video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Study with Ishant, and I will see you guys in the next one. Good luck.